System calibration routine initiated. Backgauge will now rehome. Backgauge going to the commanded calibration position. System calibration routine has been interrupted. An emergency stop or fault has occurred during system recalibration. Please select from the applicable restart options below. System calibration routine restarted. The backgauge will now rehome. Backgauge going to the commanded calibration position. Backgauge at the commanded calibration position. Follow these steps to recalibrate the system. 1. Turn the auto/manual selector switch, located on the Ironworker control box, to manual cut. 2. With the foot pedal, lightly prick punch the test piece. 3. Measure from the center of the prick punch to the edge of the calibration test piece. 4. Enter the actual position in the actual position numeric box below. 5. Press Update to apply new calibration position value. If actual and calibration positions are equal, or you wish to make no changes, leave the actual position numeric box 0, then press Update to complete the calibration routine. After the Update button is pressed, the backgauge will return to the home position. Do not forget to turn the auto/manual selector switch back to the auto cut position if the selected backgauge control is in either auto or semi-auto mode. System recalibration successfully completed. Backgauge will now return to the home position.